Hey guys, T Livingston 14 here, coming at you with a updated bike check. Recently got a couple new parts, so figured I'd update my videos for bike check. Start out on the front, the We the People bar ends, the silver. Odyssey long neck grips with the flanges cut off. Kink human bars, 8.75 rise. They were 29 wide, but I cut them down to 27.5. Stem, I have the profile push stem, 48 millimeter with a FSA headset. Odyssey top cap, leading down to Odyssey R25 forks. The steep forks, they're really great forks, really strong, never had a problem with them. Front wheel is the Odyssey Vandero front hub with Primo spokes laced to Odyssey hazard light hoop with a fit FAF 2.3 tan wall tire. In the middle I have the kinked Sean Sexton seat, a little nice fat seat, really comfortable. Volume seat post with a Sunday clamp. Odyssey JCP seat pedals with Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks, the Fit DL sprocket, 25 tooth, my KMC chain. Back hub, I got a Primo mix cassette hub with Primo spokes laced to another Odyssey hazard light hoop with another Fit FAF 2.3 tan wall tire. My frame is a Sunday Forecaster frame, 20.75 top tube. Color is called ketchup red. Overall, I love the way my bike rides right now. Feels really solid, really smooth. It just looks good too. I like the fat seat. Yeah, so my new parts are the new bars, the new stem, and the new seat. And ever since I put them on, I love it. Bike ride's great. Looks good, feels good. Definitely happy with this bike. So yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, like it. Any questions about my bike or anything, just comment below. Alright, thanks.